The fastest way to turn a calm driver into a philosopher is a temperature needle climbing, for no clear reason. This old car would behave for 20 minutes, then suddenly point the needle toward disaster like it had remembered something terrible. No steam, no boiling smell, no puddle, just the gauge slowly accusing the engine of crimes it did not commit. The owner did the responsible thing and pulled over every time, opening the bonnet with the expression of someone waiting for bad news. But the engine never acted hot. The fan worked. The coolant was there. Everything physical looked boring. That is the part that makes electrical problems so annoying. They do not always break loudly. Sometimes they just whisper nonsense into one gauge and let everybody panic. So the next stop was not the thermostat, or the radiator, or another round of guessing with the cap off. Someone checked the small ground connection behind the gauge circuit, the boring little wire nobody wants to blame because it does not look dramatic enough. It was crusty enough to make the needle tell ghost stories. A weak ground can make a dashboard act like it has inside information. The engine is fine, but the gauge reads the signal through electrical mud. Cleaned the contact, tightened it properly, and suddenly the temperature needle remembered how reality works. No new radiator. No miracle coolant. No expensive parts cannon fired at a problem that was hiding in one ugly connection. The car was not overheating. The dashboard was just bad at telling the truth. That is why I trust symptoms together, not one dramatic needle with stage presence. If the gauge screams, but the coolant, fan, smell, and scan data stay calm, check the boring grounds before you declare the engine guilty. Drop a like, subscribe, and follow Chappy for more car stories.